Class content, design pattern 614, business delegate DP implementation. This is what happening, guys. Come on. As part of DP implementation, yeah, other day I think I have not written any entries here. March 3rd. Save as March 2nd and 3rd. Yeah. 2022. So let's get into this one now. Switch workspace. Design pattern NTDP614. Guys, business delegate, guys. Yeah. Tell me what is the responsibility in business delegate, guys, according to this? Number one, this one, business delegate. Convert VO class objects into BO class objects. Get connection object from connection factory and create both DAO class objects and invoke methods on DAO class objects. Come on. By passing connection comma BO class objects. Yes or no, na? And we have to do transaction management also. So shall we start doing that work now? I think first work is over. Case one is over. So what is that? VO dot get employee address. Super. VO dot get employee address. Next one, what? Try. Tell me, guys. We converted, guys. Create DAO class objects. Yeah, you can create here or you can create at the top, guys. That's up to you. Sir, when DAOs are not having any state, guys, it's better to create one object or multiple objects. One object and use it for multiple times. So for that purpose, better to create DAO class objects in the constructor or not. So first of all, what is that? Private. What are the DAOs we are having, guys? I finance employee DAO, finance DAO, private, come on, IHR, employee DAO, HR DAO. Okay. Finance DAO is equal to, tell me, finance employee DAO IMPL. Yes, HR DAO is equal to, okay, HR employee DAO IMPL. Come on, happy? It's happened or not? Okay. Use DAOs. Yeah, first of all, yeah, get connection object from connection factory. Get connection object. Get JDBC connection object from connection factory. Get JDBC connection object from connection factory, guys. Tell me here, what is that? Connection con is equal to connection factory dot get pooled JDBC connection object. Okay, guys. Tell me. Here I will begin the transaction. What I should do, guys? Begin transaction. Tell me. Con dot set auto commit false. Con dot set auto commit false, guys. Are you with me, guys? Con dot set auto commit false. Use DAO class objects. Con dot set auto commit false. Done. Tell me, boss. Begin transaction. Use DAO class objects. Tell me, I have to call both class methods or not? Yeah, what are the methods? I think they are returning Boolean values, right? Okay. Tell me. Boolean flag 1 is equal to false. Flag 2 is equal to false. Yeah, here is my flag 1 is equal to, tell me. Flag 1 is equal to flag 1 is equal to tell me, guys. Okay. HRDAO. Okay. First what? Where I am using next val? Where I am using next val? In which DAO I am using next val method, guys? In which one I am using next val? Next val is used in HR. Sure, HR. Okay, let me use HR1. Flag 1 is equal to HRDAO. HRDO dot insert connection object HRBO. Come on. Next, flag 2 is equal to finance. What is that, guys? Finance. DAO dot insert employee finance BO. Come on, guys. We created DAYMPL class object in the constructor, Tushar. You are late to the class, fine. So, right. If flag 1 double equal to true and flag 2 double equal to true, both are true, guys. Then what is this? Okay. Con dot commit the records. Else, okay. Con dot what is that? Rollback. Con dot rollback, guys. Tell me, guys. What is this? Commit transaction. Rollback transaction. Commit transaction, rollback transaction. And guys, commit transaction, rollback transaction. Tell me next. Okay. Array, here connection also I will take it as outside reference variable. Connection con is equal to null. Okay. If any exception raised, my dear. If any exception is raised, come on. Catch. What are the possible SQL exception? Yeah, I would like to convert into what? Project specific user defined exception. What do you say, guys? Project specific user defined exception. Is that clear? Project specific user defined exception. This is what I would like to do. Okay. But here I will try to take one variable also. Result message. String result message is equal to null. String result message is equal to null. What is that? Result message is equal to employee registration successful. Employee registration successful. Result message is equal to employee registration failed. Employee registration failed. Done, boss. Next. Employee registration failed. Tell me, SC dot print stack trace. No doubt in that. Here any problem comes, I will say employee registration failed. Here also exception E, guys. Okay, E dot print stack trace. Result message is equal to, tell me, employee registration failed. What is failed? Employee registration failed. Come on, boss. Employee registration failed. Lastly, I will say finally block. Are better to close JDBC objects na? Or if you are interested, you can take with try with resource also. Your choice. If con not equal to null, having try block. If con not equal to null, con dot close. If con not equal to null, con dot close. Catch block. Tell me. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Exception E, guys. E dot print stack trace. Come on, we are closing the connection object, boss. Fine, boss, but we have a big task to do. Tell me this. This is case 1 done. Beginning transaction is what? Part of case 3. Okay. Committing transaction is what? Part of case 3. Array, transaction management, ra babu. Rollback transaction is what? Part of case 3. Employee registration failed. What failed, guys? Employee registration failed. Employee registration failed. Okay. Catch exception E. Try here. End of the finally block. End of the finally block. Flag 1, flag 2. Commit. Try. Array, case 2 is there. I forgot case 2 now. What is case 2? Yeah, here 1 minute message is fine, but at the same time I should do what? If any problem comes, I have to roll back the transaction also, boss. Here also I have to roll back the transaction. Tell me what should I do? Try con dot rollback off. Con dot rollback off. Catch SQL exception SC. SC dot print stack trace. SC dot print stack trace, guys. Okay. SC1. SC1 dot print stack trace. We'll keep this message over here. Next. Same formula. If any exception comes, I don't want to go further. Cut it. Exception, SQL exception. What is that? SC1 dot print stack trace. Here is my SC1 dot print stack trace. Yeah. SC1 dot print stack trace. Where is the red mark, guys? Return statement. At the end, finally block. Return result message. What message, guys? Return result message. Cool, guys. End of the method. End of the class. End of the method, end of the class. Case 1, converting VO class object to BO class object. Case 3, transaction management by passing same connection object to both DAOs. Okay. So case 3 is happening nice, but case 2 is still not happened properly. Wherever rollback is there, what is that? Rollback transaction case 3. Rollback transaction case 3, guys. Here also. Rollback transaction case 3. Yes. Sir, case 2 is there. Converting technology specific exception to project specific user defined exception. So first of all, I have to create project specific user defined exception. Okay. Tell me here what I am going to take. Class. Employee registration problem exception. Employee registration problem exception. What should be the superclass of it? Exception. What should be the superclass of it? Yes, this is the superclass. Okay, it should be the superclass of it. Then tell me, we should do this work. Right. Okay. String message. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Super dot message. String message, super dot message. String message, super dot message. Come on. We have to convert. This is business delegate, but here we have to rethrow the exception as what? Project specific user defined exception. Remember that? Tell me here, what should I do? Throw new employee. Tell me. Registration problem exception. Employee registration problem exception. Okay, here is what? E dot get message. What message is coming there? Same message I am throwing. Here also, print the details, guys. But say Tell me, throw new. Acha, after throw, no statements will execute. We know that. Okay, that's why you place this one before that. Yeah, same thing you do, guys, here. Same thing you do, guys, here. Inside this, right. Here also, throw new array, same thing, Babu. Throw new employee registration exception. Okay. This is end of catch block 1. This is another catch block, guys. Exception rethrowing. Yes. Here, what is the exception object, my dear? In this place, it is SC1. In this place, it is SC. In this place, it is what? Yes. Are you comfortable, my dears? Come on. Easy. Comfortable. SC1 dot get message, SC dot get message. Tell me, guys, don't you think it comes under case 2? This comes under case 2, exception rethrowing, boss. Converting them into project specific user defined exception. Case 2, come on. Don't you think it comes under case 2? Yeah, now just have a look, guys. All the 3 things are completed or not. Tell me, convert employee VO class objects to 2 BO class objects. Done. What is this code, guys? 1 VO class object, from there 2 BO class object. Finance BO, HR BO. One is finance BO, other one is what? HR BO. First part is over. Get connection object from connection factory. Get connection object from connection factory, guys. Get connection object from connection factory, guys. Done. This is also done. Auto commit false. Done. Yeah, tell me, on both DAO, insert employee method is invoked. On both DAO, insert employee method is invoked, guys. On both DAOs, insert employee method is invoked. What is invoked, guys? Insert employee method is invoked. Tell me, what is the next story? Yes, boss. Tell me, we got the result. If both flags are true, commit the work. If anything gone wrong, roll back the work. Array, same thing na. Get connection object from connection factory, create both DAO class objects on this. Right. Tell me, SQL exception, rethrow exception as internal problem exception. And here transaction management. In multiple places, I am doing transaction management or not. If everything is going good, commit. Transaction. Something problem, roll back. Something problem, roll back. Come on, exception comes, roll back. I hope you understood my statement, guys. Okay, boss. Done, guys. This is what we need to focus. Yeah, business delegate is perfectly developed. All the 3 points are nicely covered. Everyone please respond. Are you happy the way business delegate is developed? Because remaining all are Servlet JSPs, guys. Nothing great. Because our main project is on business delegate. Don't forget. Our main requirement is on business delegate. Don't forget that. Our main requirement is on business delegate. Don't forget that. Super, guys. SRC, main, web app, new. Where is this? HTML file. Employee underscore register.html. What, guys? Employee underscore register.html. Done. Yes, boss. H1 style color colon red blue. Okay. Color colon blue. Text hyphen align is equal to center. Employee registration. What, guys? Employee registration. What is that, guys? Employee registration. What registration? Simply employee registration. Super, guys. Tell me here. Table. Border is equal to 1. Table border is equal to 1. Tell me next. Align is equal to center. Table border is equal to 1. Align is equal to center. TRTD. TRTD. Let's design the form page, boss. How to design the form page? Name, address, salary, designation. Register employee. Tell me here. Name here. Yes. Tell me here what is there. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to e-name. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to e-name. Address. EADD. Next. Tell me. Designation. Here is my e-designation. Salary. Okay. Next one is salary. Here is my e-salary. Here is my e-salary. Next, what is the other one I should use, guys? What is the other one I should use? The other one I should use is call span is equal to 2. Input type is equal to submit. What is equal to, guys? Input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to register employee. Value is equal to register employee. Done, boss. Name here, address here, designation here, salary here, and this is done. Come on, come on. Are you getting my point there or not? Are you understanding my statement here, boss? Come on, are you with me? Employee underscore register dot html. This is done. Tell me, guys, when I click on this, where the request comes to controller servlet. Read form data and store in what? Employee VO class object. And somehow we create business delegate object in the init method and we invoke the business method. Having VO class object. Having VO class object. Okay, if everything comes smoothly without exception, we capture the result and we keep in request scope and we forward to result show underscore result dot JSP. If some problem comes, control goes to catch block and we forward to what? Error dot JSP. We forward the control to whom, guys? Error dot JSP. We simply forward the control to whom, guys? Error.jsp. Whatever it is, response. From there, result will be formatted and final response goes to dynamic web page. And the final response goes to dynamic web page. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Array, this much work I have done. I have not used a form tag. Huh? Oh, sorry. Yeah, we have to use form tag now, boss. Form action. I'm assuming controller servlet URL pattern is controller only. Method is equal to post. What is equal to post, guys? Method is equal to post. Let me end the form here. Let me end the form here. Employee underscore register dot HTML. Employee underscore register dot HTML, guys. Super. Shall we concentrate on how to develop controller servlet, guys? New servlet component. Main controller servlet. Main controller servlet. Say next. What is the URL pattern? I would like to say this one as the URL pattern. Here is my controller. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. No need of this stuff, guys. Oh, servlet-API is not coming. Oh, that is not added. That is not added. As part of list of dependencies, that is not added. Shall I add servlet-API? That should come automatically when I develop it as web application. Okay, no problem. It has to come automatically, but somehow not came. Somehow not came. Class path, guys. Servlet-API is there, na. Servlet-API is there. I will tell the reason. Where is the problem? Is there. But Tomcat 10 I have taken, na. Their package names are different, guys. Jakarta dot. It is not. Jakarta dot. Yeah, change the package name. Tension. Jakarta dot. Jakarta dot. Yes, boss. Yeah, this is my public. This is my public. Here is my request, guys. Here is my response. Here is my request, guys. Here is my response. This is my request, boss. This is my response. Okay. Yeah, done. Yeah. How to add, guys? @ web servlet / controller. @ web servlet / controller. Okay. These are not direct methods now. @ override. @ override. 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 Yes. Here is my web.xml file, boss. In this web.xml file, no need of configuring this because already we are configuring with annotations now, boss. There is no need of again configuring it separately. There is no need of again configuring it separately. Okay. Fine. Welcome file list. Welcome file. Welcome file list. Welcome file. Employee _ register.html. Employee _ register.html. Superna, boss. Employee _ register.html. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Yes, boss. Tell me here what is there. Here is my init method. Here is my init method, guys. Here is my init method. Okay, here business delegate class, guys. Employee management, business delegate. employee management. employee management, business delegate. Perfect MEC is happening, Ra Babu. Okay. Here, delegate is equal to now employee management, business delegate, IMPL. Cool. Yes, boss. After that, what next? One is request, one is response. Then tell me next. Okay. Read form data. Sir, why are you creating single objects? If class is not having state, singleton. though it is not singleton. Okay, if class is not having state, or if class is having read-only state, or if class is having shareable state, it's better to create one object or multiple objects. It's better to create one object or multiple objects. Okay. It is recommended to create. It is recommended to create one object recommended to create one object and use it for multiple times. Create one object and use it for multiple times. Use it for multiple times in the following situations. Tell me, what are those situations, guys? If class not having state means member variables. Next, B. If class not having, okay, class is having just read-only state. Okay, that is nothing but fixed state. C. If class is having shareable state, if class is having shareable state, yes. If class is having shareable state, super boss. If class is seriously, literally having only shareable state. Shall we get into the next level discussion, guys? Come on. Tell me, what is the next level discussion? Read form data and store into VO class objects. Store into VO class object. Tell me, what should I do? Employee VO, EMP VO is equal to new employee VO of EMP VO dot set employee name request dot get parameter of what dot request dot get parameter of, come on, request dot get parameter of EMP name. EMP VO dot set EMP designation request dot get parameter of EMP designation. EMP VO dot address request dot get parameter of, come on, EMP address. EMP VO dot, come on, employee salary request dot get parameter of, what is there, guys? Salary. Read form data and store into VO class object. Store into VO class object, guys. Tell me, what is the next one? Right, guys? Employee VO class object. Come on. Right, guys? Invoke the business method. Try. Invoke the business method, guys. Right? Business method expects this one now, boss. Here, what is this? String result message is equal to already delegate class object is created. Delegate dot register employee VO. Employee VO. Done. Okay. This is invoking business method, guys. Next, keep the result in the request scope. Keep the result in the request scope. Request dot set attribute. What is attribute name? Okay, result. Okay, next. Forward the request to. Forward the request to. Tell me. Show underscore result dot JSP. Show underscore result dot JSP. Request dispatcher RD is equal to request dot get request dispatcher of request dot get request dispatcher of. Come on. Request dot get request dispatcher of. Request dot get request dispatcher of. Tell me. Show underscore result dot JSP. Next. RD dot forward. RD dot forward. Tell me. Request comma response. RD dot forward request comma response. Fine, guys. Catch. Any problem, it will propagate as what, guys? Employee registration problem exception. You remember that? Yeah, because technology specific exception we translated to what? Project specific user defined exception. I think here we did that. Okay. Yeah, here what we are doing was converting. Okay, converting or translating DAO generated technology specific exceptions to project specific user defined exceptions. Project specific user defined exception. Project specific user defined exception, guys. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Is that clear? If next, this is done, guys. Come to controller servlet. Yeah, catch block. Inside the catch block, employee registration problem exception. Employee registration problem exception. ERPR dot print stack trace. ERPA dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Fine, boss. Tell me, guys, here not only we should display, boss, we should forward to what? Error page. Request dispatcher RD is equal to request dot get request dispatcher of error dot JSP. What dot JSP? Error dot JSP. RD dot forward request comma response. Okay. Error.jsp. Okay. rd.forward this one. rd.forward this one, guys. Done, boss. Okay. Now I have to develop show underscore result.jsp. What dot .jsp, guys? Show underscore result.jsp. Show underscore result.jsp. Let's see. JSP file, guys. Show underscore result.jsp. Say next. Say finish. ECL ignored is equal to false. ECL ignored is equal to false. H1 style color colon red text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center was. Text hyphen align center was. After that, what next? Speak out, speak out, speak out. Color colon red text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Come on. Okay. Then. What is the story to be taken? Yeah. Result. Okay. I think I have to read. I have to read the request scope data. What is request scope data? Result. Okay. I just need to display the result. That's it, guys. Next one. BR. AHRF. AHRF. Employee underscore register.html. Home is the hyperlink. Home is the hyperlink, guys. Next. File save as. Here is my error.jsp. What .jsp, guys? Error.jsp. Okay. Tell me, boss. Okay. Some internal problem. Some internal problem. You want to display the problem, guys? So then what we can do, you know? Okay. Here you can keep the message. What message, you know? Yes. Okay. Before forwarding, request.set attribute, error message. Okay. ERP.get message. E.get message. Error message E.get message. Yes. Error.jsp. Dollar error message. Some internal problem ERR message. Done. Some internal problem ERR message. Cool, guys. Got the clarity? I think all set. Anything is missed? I think we did not miss anything. All set, boss. Shall we run the application? Okay, let's run the application. Run on server, boss. Say next. Setup takes time, but business delegate implementation is easy. One of the port numbers are invalid. When you get this kind of error, guys, very simple. Double click on the server tab. Double click on the server tab. Some port numbers are missing, guys. You give some port number. Save it. Done. Right click, run on server. Say next, say finish. Hello, access, guys. Yes, we got this page. I'm not lighting this border, guys. Let's get into our basics. Employee underscore register. Okay, border 0 I will take. Align center fine. BZ color is equal to CR. BZ color is equal to CR. Where it has come, guys? Yeah. Is it that? No. What is the browser it is having? Internal browser? Yeah, maybe it is using internal browser. Refresh. Okay. So yeah, let's see, guys. Rajesh, address Hyderabad, designation clerk, salary 9,000. Click on register employee. Oh, exception. Okay. Cannot invoke string dot trim because IN is null. IN is null. Can we understand the problem in detail? Null pointer exception. Where null pointer exception, Ra Babu? Where is the null pointer exception? In business delegate, we are getting problem. Business delegate. VO dot get salary is not coming. Why VO dot get salary is not coming? Go to controller class. This is e-salary, but I have taken only salary. Go to form page. E-name, e-address, e-designation, e-salary. But I have kept only salary. Got the reason, boss? Fine. Okay, no problem. Home. Let's use external browser Chrome. Browser. Hey, browser, come. Stuck it up. Browser, Chrome browser. Current, guys. Address Hyderabad, guys. Designation clerk, guys. Salary, okay, 70,000, guys. Because con is null. Oh, it is saying that connection object has not come. Connection object has not come in business delegate. Connection object has not come. That means connection object is not created. Where is business delegate, guys? Here. Yeah. See the server console, you will be knowing the reason. This time towards null pointer exception, guys. Cannot load JDBC driver class. I understood. I did everything, but I forgot to do deployment assembly. Jars added to class path will not be moved automatically. Lambak.jar, I have forgot to add sorry then. Then I have to add build path. I forgot to add the jar, seriously, Rababu. No one remembered, remind me also. Class path, add external jars, C drive, Oracle exe. OJDBC 6.jar. Done. Apply and close. Then what is next? Right click, properties. Come on. Deployment assembly. Yes. Build path entries. Finish. Apply. Apply and close. Fine. Everything happens, boss. Not an issue. Run on server. Save finish. Yes, I want to restart the server. Freshly, I want to see the things. I would like to see the things very much freshly, guys. Chari. Address Hyderabad. Designation clerk. Okay, salary 9,000. Click on register employee. Employee registration successful. Okay, now it observe it might have inserted record in both tables. BD underscore, BD underscore, BD underscore. Done. Finance underscore done. Here is my data. Oh, why null guys? Why null? That means we are not setting values properly. Finance part, HR part. Here also null. That means some mismatchings are taking place, right? Okay. Yeah, we have to sort out each problem. Don't worry. We have to sort out each problem. Maybe I called execute update method without setting BO class object to query parameter. Go to DAO IMPL. How many question marks are there? 3 question marks are there. Okay, HR BO dot get employee name, BO designation. This is done now. Why it is happening then? Only why it is coming, only salary part is coming. Let's get into business delegate now. Okay, tell me. HRBO dot employee name, get name. Designation, address. Super. VO dot get name. Super. Okay. Then, okay, salary is coming perfectly, but remaining things are not coming. Go to this e-name, e-address, e-designation. Go to controller servlet. Here what is the thing we have taken? E-name, e-designation, e-address. Okay, are names got wrong, Rabab. Everything will be having a reason, Rabab. When we develop these many things, some mismatches will be there. Said. Now perfect should be perfect. Employee registration successful. Say refresh. Came na? Same record is inserted with the same number in both tables. Same record is inserted in same number in both tables. Happened or not happened? Okay. Tell me. I will try to give more than column size name. Chari. Okay. Address clerk 9,000. This time you observe. Tell me what is the exception? Some internal problem. Value is too large for column. We are able to get exception. Exception raised in DAO. Propagated to business delegate. Translated to user-defined exception. Then propagated to servlet. From there pass it to whom? Servlet component, right? From there pass it to whom? Servlet component. Sorry, JSP. And JSP able to display the message or not. That means exception propagation is also happening. Okay. Exception propagation also taking place, guys. Right. This is what. So I will give directory structure of entire project, guys. Factory. I'll give directory structure of entire project. And it's MVC project, Rabab. Done, boss. Here is my business delegate, guys. Business delegate code. Business delegate code. Yes, this is business delegate code. Fine, I'm not giving entire code, guys. I'm just giving business delegate code. I think with this we completed business delegate pattern or not. Cool. Right. Tomorrow when we meet, we will take one more pattern. Service locator pattern. What patterns?